Do you know one thing? You can't become a pro in SQL just by learning their syntax. You need to solve some real business question. So welcome guys, this is day 15 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 real business question in SQL. So if you have not seen previous video, just click on the I button. You can watch all the previous videos there. In today's question, I am going to analyze the customer behavior of a store and their purchasing patterns. So for this question, I am going to use some advanced concept of SQL like Windows function, time interval, and we will also know the use of having. So be with me till the end of this video and let's open your PG admin and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my PG admin here and this is day 15 of 100 real business question series in SQL. And the question for today is identify repeat customers and analyze their purchasing patterns. For each region and product, find customer who made purchase at least 2 different days in last 7 days. For these repeated customers, show the number of distinct purchase days, their total quantity purchased, their total sales amount, and the average days between their purchase. It means the purchase frequency. So this is the question that we are going to solve today. So let me show you the data that we are going to use for this question. So this is the sales table that we have for today's question and I have inserted some value in this. So let me show you this table now. Select everything from sales. Let's run this query. So this is the data that we have for today's question. In this table, we have columns like sale ID, sale date, region, product, customer ID, quantity and amount. Okay, so this is the data that we are going to use today. So without any delay, let's start the question and solve this question now. So first we are going to filter out last 7 days data from our data set. So let's start from select and we can take everything from sales table where sale date should be between 2025 0620 and 2025 0626. So this is the last 7 days data. So let's run this query now. Yeah, so this is the data that we have for last 7 days here. So let's create this as a temporary table using CTs. So with last 7 days is this table. Okay. So now we are going to calculate for each region they have purchased at least 2 different days in last 7 days. For this repeated customer, we have to show the distinct purchase date, total quantity purchased, total sales amount. Okay, so let's start from select. First we are going to take region here and product, customer ID and count of distinct sale date is purchased days. Yeah, so this is the total number of purchase days here. And now we are going to calculate sum of quantity is total quantity because you also want to show that. Then sum of amount is total amount, and now we are going to show that all the dates in which the customer has purchased. Okay, for that I am going to use a function here which is the array aggregate function. So this will create an array of dates in which dates the customer has make and purchase. Okay, so let's use here array aggregate distinct sale date, and we can also use the order by sale date is purchase days, dates. Okay, So this will give us the array of purchase dates. So from last 7 days data, and then we are going to use group by, region, product, and customer ID. And then we also want to filter only for the customer who has purchased more than 2 days. Okay, so where this one, this is the purchase days, should be greater than equal to 2. So let's run this query now. We got an error here. Oh, if we are using aggregate function here, just use here having. So let's run this query again. So this is the output for this query, guys. We got the region, product, customer ID, purchase days, total quantity, total amount, and purchase dates. So this is the array that I was talking about. Okay, and now we are going to find out the average days between their purchase dates. It means that we are going to calculate the purchase quantity between these purchase dates. Okay, so let's convert this into a temporary table. What should give us the name, like let's give it name like customer activity. Yeah, customer activity is this query, and give it a comma here. Then again we are going to use select, and take region, product, customer ID, yeah, and purchased days, then total quantity and total amount. Yeah, so now we will calculate the average days between these purchase dates. Okay, so for that we are going to write a formula where we will do subtraction between last days and first days and divide it by purchase days minus 1. So this is the formula how we calculate average days between two dates. So let's write here case, because you want to check a condition when purchase days is greater than 1, then purchased dates, this is an array, that's why we are going to take their length, and array length of purchased dates and 1. So this 1 represents the dimension of the array, so this is the 1 dimension minus purchased dates 1. So this will give us the last value of the array, and this is the first value of the array. Okay, so let's wrap up this into a bracket and divide it by purchased days minus 1 and round it up to 2 decimals. Yeah, and else if it is less than 1, then go for null, and then use end here is give it a name like average purchased days, yeah, from this is customer activity, yeah. So let's run this query now. So guys, this is the output for our question today. We have we have shown the repeat customer and analyze their purchasing patterns for each region and product. Find the customer who made purchase at least 2 different days in last 7 days. We have calculated the distinct purchase days, their total quantity, total amount, and average days between their purchase. It means their purchase frequency. So this is the final output. As you can see, we have shown the region, product, customer ID, purchase days, total quantity, amount, and average purchase date. for each customer in each region for each day. Okay, so this is all about today's question, guys. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in the description of this video. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. And if you want to know something related to data analytics, SQL, Power BI, or any help, and also if you want to know something, if you have any confusion in this, you can directly comment below in this video, or you want to connect me professionally, you can just DM me on my LinkedIn profile. So I will make sure that I will reply you there. So let's wrap up this question now. So I hope, guys, this video will really make an impact in your future analysis in SQL. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend, and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.